Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Mi 11 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can change icon style on this XIAOMI. First of all, go into settings and scroll down. Now choose themes and tap on more over here. Then tap on the loop and type whatever you want to, for example dark. Now select theme in which you like icons the best and download it by tapping on the green button. Now you can go back into the main screen and choose profile at the bottom right corner. Select icons and tap on the ones that you just downloaded. Choose apply. And now as you can see, style of my icons has changed. But if you want to go back into the default ones, all you need to do is go back into the same theme settings. Choose more again, tap on profile, select icons, pick one of the default ones and tap apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!